They have special nail guards, not the nail guards we buy at any local hardware store or local or hardware, whatever you want. These are hardened steel because corrugated stainless steel tubing is a very thin number 304 stainless steel, which is a common stainless steel used in plumbing and gas fitting. But you don't want pneumatic nailers shooting nails right through a regular striker plate nail guard and penetrating a piece of CSST that's in a wall and filling up a wall cavity with gas until it gets enough of a spark to cause an explosion. So all that good stuff. Here you're just seeing some pictures of those nail plates, the way they're supposed to be fastened. One of the things you notice about this picture, as we're seeing a counter-strike CSST right in there, that's a particular manufacturer of CSST, flash guard counter-strike, which means it has a continuous ground. So if the house gets hit by lightning or there's a lightning strike outside the house, the lightning follows the tubing until it grounds to a proper ground and then goes into the earth. If it's not grounded properly and a lightning strike travels along the CSST, it looks for a place to jump off. And when lightning jumps off of a piece of CSST, it blows a hole in the side of it. So you have to be very, very careful about it.